Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Code. I will provide you the complete career guidelines and job updates. Today we have exciting job opportunities from L&T. L&T is hiring graduate engineer trainee. This job is open for fresher, and if you have 1 year of experience, you are also eligible for these opportunities. A skill required for this: machine learning, artificial intelligence, image processing, and minimum qualification required for this: bachelor degree and master degree candidate are eligible for these opportunities. Okay, so let me discuss the job description. As a machine learning intern, you will work along a team of data science and engineers to develop, implement, and optimize the machine learning algorithms and models. This job opportunity is best for you if you are interested in machine learning and new technology. Okay. Also, you have the practical skill in data analysis and machine learning and software engineer while contributing to implement a project within a company. Okay, so you can see here what is your responsibility for this job role. Okay, develop and assist in a design, development, and test the machine learning model and algorithms, and you will conduct the data processing and data analysis to prepare the data set for modeling, as well as help in model evaluation and performance tuning. Okay, and optimization. You will be working on cutting edge project. Okay, so you can see here qualification required for these opportunities. You should have a strong understanding of machine learning concept and algorithms like regression, classification, cluster, and neural networks. Okay, so you can recall all that things. This will help you in interview. Okay, and proficiency in programming language like Python, R, and similar. So if you have the command on the Python language and R language, so this job is right fit for you. Okay, and you should have the solid understanding of data structure, algorithms, and problem solving techniques. Also, you can recall that data structure and algorithms. Okay, and familiar with data processing, and you should have the a strong analytical problem solving and communication skill. So you can see here some optional skill is there. You should have the knowledge of deep learning technique and frameworks, and familiar with cloud platform like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure, any one of them, and knowledge of the version control tool like GitHub, and you should have the strong knowledge of SQL, working with database. Okay, these all are key skill required for these opportunities. So before applying for these opportunities, you can mention all the key skill in your resume. Okay, so if you are interested for these opportunities, I will provide you the link in the description box. Check out this link and proceed your application as soon as possible. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell for more job updates. Thank you for your time.